Hi guys, hello, welcome back to my channel to Dental Bites once again, and today we are going to discuss about an important topic in microbiology, that is sterilization. Sterilization is a very important topic. We should know all about that because it will help us to gain knowledge in our clinical practice. Because in clinic we have to sterilize our instruments before and after any operative procedure to prevention of bacteria or any infections. So without wasting time, let's start our video and discuss about briefly various methods of sterilization. So guys, at first we have to know what the sterilization is or the definition of sterilization. Sterilization is a process by which all the articles are freed of all types of microorganisms both present in vegetative state or in spore state. तो स्पोर स्टेट में है या वेजिटेटिव स्टेट में हुआ कोई माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से कोई आर्टिकल्स को हम फ्री करने चाहता है तो स्टेरिलाइजेशन मेथड्स का यूज कर सकते हैं. तो अब जानेंगे हम वेरियस मेथड्स ऑफ स्टेरिलाइजेशन. Now guys, various methods of sterilization are broadly divided into two categories, that is the physical methods of sterilization and the another is chemical methods of sterilization. At first we will discuss about some physical methods, that is first is with the help of sunlight. Yes, with the help of sunlight we can also sterilize various types of article. Now the second type of physical methods is that by drying. Yes, with the help of drying we also can sterilize various types of articles, but it is not very effective one. Now the third one, that is by heat. Yes, with the help of heat we also can sterilize various types of instruments, articles, etc. That heat is also divided into two categories, that is by with the dry heat and another is by moist heat. We will discuss further about that with the dry heat, what are the categories of dry heat methods and what are the categories of moist heat methods. And the another physical methods that are with the help of ozone, with the help of radiation, with the help of infiltration. So these are the physical methods by which we can sterilize various types of articles from microorganisms. Now guys, if we discuss about various chemical methods by which we can sterilize various types of articles, so these are nothing but phenols, with the help of ethanols, various types of acid, alkaline agents, various types of heavy metals, with the help of surface active agents, with the help of beta propiomagnates. So these are all types of various chemical methods by which we can sterilize various types of our articles and instruments. We'll discuss one by one topic in our next videos. So these are various types of sterilization process. So goodbye guys, and we'll meet in this platform once again with another next video with discussing various methods of sterilization in detail. So goodbye.